Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to highlight your mouse cursor. Highlighting your mouse cursor has the advantage of making it easier for others to follow your instructions. This allows them to see exactly where your mouse is located and can see what you are clicking. This can be very useful if you are doing screen recording and with instructions, or if you are on a team or a Zoom or a Google Meet meeting try to explain a concept. If you want people to be able to follow your explanations, the good news is that it is easy to put a highlight around your cursor. I will show you how to do it. This is an application that you can download to give you more control over how your cursor looks. It is a free and you need to install it. Navigate to the following website. I have put the link in the description, so from there you can take it. This tool is completely free and it has a lot of functionality. So you can change a lot of settings once you have this tool installed. We can go them one by one. So if you go through this website, you can see that you have the different sections. So you have to go to section 3, which is a cursor highlighter. So let me click on that. So if you read about the cursor highlighter says that it's a program that make the mouse cursor easier to track. There are 3 modes. The basic function is to create a colored halo around the mouse cursor. It can also be set to instead have a user defined icon follow the mouse cursor and some more information. So as they have stated, to use this program you will first need to install the free auto hotkey on your computer, and they have given the link as well. I have also provided the link in the description, so you can click it or you can come to the website and click it from here. So I have already opened this one. So from here you can download this link. So you click on that one. It will show you the different version. Just to be careful that the current version of the script support download version 1.1. So please download version 1.1. You click on that, you see that the AutoKey installer exe file is downloaded. So click on this exe file, ask for the permission to install it, say yes. So the installation is happening. You'll say the express installation. So installation is done. You can click on exit. So this means that the auto hotkey software is installed. Now you can again go back to the previous link, and here you have to download this AHK file, right? So this .ahk file that has been given, just click on that. And so I guess the link is given from Google Drive, so you can download it. There is no risk. And yes, so you have this file downloaded. Click on that. So it will say that the setting files named cursor highlighter settings.ini should be in the same folder as the script, but it is not detected. So do you want to create a new file with the default setting? So it's basically a setting file. So in this way I'll say yes. So let setting files will be created automatically, and the moment I say yes, you see this yellow background halo effect came to life. So as you can see, the default color that they have given is a yellow, and you can see that it's coming in the backend in the cursor. So the next step that we can do is just go ahead and change few settings around that. So if you go to your taskbar, now you'll see one more icon which says cursor highlighter. So if you click on that, you see that you have different settings there. So if you click on the pen cursor, if you are in the presentation and if you want to explain something to someone, you can also use this pen cursor as well. Let's see what are the other options that we have. So then you can you can switch back to the normal cursor or this highlighter cursor. Then we can go to the settings and let's see what are the different settings that we have. So you have the different options here like color highlight, picture file, focus. So if you click on the focus, it will only highlight the part where your cursor is moving. Go to the highlight settings. So here you can see we have the different color option available. So let me change the color to something else, maybe let's say for orange. So I select this color and you can see the background, the cursor background has changed. So you can select the colors here. You have the different opacity options as well. If we reduce it to let's say 10 and not 101 but 10, and you see that it's really light now. So let's go to the default one. So these are the different options that we have. Then the next option is highlight left click, which means that if you want to change the color when you are clicking on the left one, so let's say I say that show a different highlight when you left click. I click on that and there I say okay, I want to have the pink color, and if I click on left now, you see that it's changing to pink. Let's go to the settings again. You can have the right click action as well. So I'll say yes, and if I click now, you see that the blue color is coming. Then let's go to the next one, which is the picture setting. If you want to enable the picture mode, you can play around with these settings. Then another important options that it has is the hotkeys. So you have the different you can assign the different hotkeys. So from here you basically don't have to come to the setting page, but with the help of those keys you can change the options. You can switch to highlight mode, you can switch to the picture mode, you can switch to the cursor focus mode. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thank you.